Hello, dear friends. I am Professor Dr. Franklin, running our clinic at Sundarapuram, Coimbatore. We are going to discuss something about the current pandemic COVID 19. In the present scenario, the number of cases who are being affected with corona has been drastically increasing despite the great efforts which is taken by the government. When saying about this corona, it is caused by a virus. It presents with symptoms only for 14% of people who are being infected with. And out of this 14, only 7% of people will be becoming critically ill. The symptoms occurs within 14 days when patient has been infected with this virus. Comparing with normal cold, the symptoms which has been occurring in corona has been more severe. The symptoms of coronavirus infection are fever, dry cough, fatigue, headache. Normal cases, it will be taking 7 days for its recovery. In severe cases, pneumonia develops, of which some cases will be going for severe respiratory distress, and people will be dying with the same thing. As there is no vaccine which has been developed still now, the only way to get rid from the disease is boosting your immunity. The prime way by which you can do is by having nutritious food items and by having drugs which can boost your immunity. The nutritious food items like turmeric, garlic, curcumin, coriander, black pepper, jaggery, and even butter has been highly useful. And having more amount of protein-rich food items tends to help the person who has been infected with a state of coronavirus infection. Inhalation of mint leaves, staying hydrated, doing exercise at least for 45 minutes a day, practicing medication, avoiding refined sugar, alcohol, and even smoking, quitting smoking. Let's further go on discussing about homeopathic medicine. The preventive medicine called as Arsenicum album 30 is being approved by the Central Council of Ayush and even by the state government of Tamil Nadu. Homeopathy is a system of medicine which has been developed in 18th century by an allopathic doctor, Dr. Samuel Hahnemann, when he was been not satisfied with the medicine which was prevalent during his time, based on the prime principle called let the likes be cured by likes. The same principle has been adapted in the treatment of pandemic diseases. The evidences which supports the effect of homeopathic medicines in epidemics are 1830s typhus fever, 1830 cholera epidemic, 1850s yellow fever, further comes diphtheria, pandemic influenza, and recently if you have been seeing cases of chikungunya, dengue, all have been treated so efficiently with homeopathic medicine. It's been a big question which arises in the public whether the homeopathic medicine arsenicum, the metal, has been having a property of creating complication or side effects. As a homeopath, I will say a big no for such a statement, as all the homeopathic medicines are being prepared by a process where the medicines are being diluted far beyond the limit, where even with a very powerful microscope, you can't find any quantity of metal in it. How to take the medicine? It's left to the doctor who is giving preventive how to control onto the dosage of medicine. Normally, it should be taken 3 globules 3 times a day continuously for 3 days, followed by a break of around 7 days, and once again it should be repeated in the same manner for 3 days. The efficacy of medicine has been tested by the clinical trial at different places. Even a single case has not been reported after giving medicine to lakhs of peoples. The medicine will be available in all the nearby homeopathic clinics at a lower cost. Like this, if you are seeing homeopathic medicines are being effective for almost all diseases which is affecting mankind. And if you have been having any queries, you can contact us at the number 850 8894 124.